And do you have a dollar bill? A dollar bill. There you go. I'll only show you how we get Cookie to land on an axis, but we need a dollar. When you get that dollar bill, fold it in half and stand in the aisle for me. We're perfect every time. How about that, folks? Whoa! Come on back, Cookie. Great. Thanks. Okay. I need somebody with a $10 arm. Both arms. There you go. Clap real hard and hope you get it. No, stay where you are. Stay where you are. There you go. One arm will do. Palm up. There you go. Take it back to Cookie. She's a good sport. When you get there, put it back where you got it. Whoa. Non-refundable, huh? He can make the swing go back and forth. I'm impressed. Yeah, but that's not all. We want him to go up and over the top. He's going to need your help. The more that you folks clap, scream, cheer, and holler, the higher he's going to go. Good work, folks. Did you notice he did all that without the use of a safety net? They noticed, Punch. Off you go, Pancho. See you later, Shorty. Hey, you know, a cameraman has a very difficult time. Yep. Like lightning. Here she comes. Woo. There you go. How about a hand for Arrow? Got a couple blurred, didn't you? Yeah. Well, we're gonna, wait a minute. Hey, lady, what about that dollar bill again? We'll do the A and B thing right here in the aisle. No. He was on a new Madonna video called Express Yourself. We move him around on the set. We use a sound cue called the clicker. Whoa, you're just not fast enough, Stacy. Here you go. We use a clicker to move a cat from one point to another. We just make sure we give him a little bit of food when he gets there. It kind of looks like your can openers do at home. Here you go. In order to get an actor or actress to work with Rio, we give them a clicker and a piece of food. Say they're working in a kitchen. They click the clicker, rehearsing their scene. Feed the kitty. Click clicker. Feed the kitty. Click clicker. Feed the kitty. Now, before you know it, you get ready to roll the cameras, roll the sound, and you got yourself, yo, that instant pet kitty. They're impressed. Come on, pal. Over here. Show that big exit. All the way up there. Into the kitty Sheraton, and away he goes. Folks, that's Rio! See that, Rio? Oh! Obviously, too much of a ham for this program.
It's Maxie. Quit hanging around, Max. What are you doing up there? Hi. Okay, I guess we're gonna try this one more time. That's not quite what was supposed to happen. Here we go. There you go. Big jump, Max. All right. Come on down here, Max. There you go. All right. Well, Max, that was a pretty nice jump you did from way up top, and you got all the applause from the folks. Tell me, how does that make you feel? Hey, Max, show them that bouncing thing you were showing me backstage. Go on. Keep going. Can you do some spins for us? Show them your spins. Big spins, another one. One more. All right. Hey, come on over here and tell me, what does Dave look like backstage? Go on. Tell me what Dave looks like backstage. There you go. That was great. Jump. Jump. Jump again. Okay, now go show him your big exit. Here we go. Your John Wayne impersonation there. Good.
Here are some of the dog basics. These are things that any well-trained studio dog should know. Get over there. No, over there. You're working pretty good. Now get over there. Hop up here. Hop up here. Look out there. Put your foot down. Ready to go to work? Then go to your right. Go to your left. Dig it up. Dig it up. Dig it up. Dig. Stay. Catch this. Good. Sit. On your feet. Sit. Sit up. Get them up high. Take a bow. Okay. Sit. Lie down. We're gonna do some acting for you. Stay. Let's see you crawl. Lie down. Crawl. No, crawl. Get over here, you chicken. Come over here. Here we go. Lie down. Stay. Now crawl better. That's not a crawl, it's a crouch. Crawl. Guess that's as good as it's gonna get, huh, folks? Okay, get over there. Okay, come here. Now we'll do some acting. Foot. Give me your foot. You're wounded. There you go. Good boy. Now go over there. Go over there. Get over here. What's the matter with you? Get over here. Let's do a stupid pet trick. Get your tail. Bring it here. Good boy. There you go. Let's do some more acting for him. Put your feet up there. Say your prayers. Good boy. Folks, how about a hand for Lucky? I can barely hear you. What's your name? Josefa? Okay. Josefa, where are you from? Sudan? Have a seat in the chair. Now, we're going to bring out one of the dogs. Oh, actually, good girl. All right, folks. Now, Josefa, you're going to get a chance to work with this dog, okay? So come over here. Step over. We've got a microphone coming out for you from back. Can you believe this kid? Man, I can't believe it either. Pick it up. Take it. I can't believe it. This is a family show. What are you trying to do to us? Did you really ask for that? Say it without smiling. You lose. Yeah, show there's no hard feelings, Huey. Jump. You look great with a pigeon on your head. We better get him off if there's an accident. Oh no. It's too late. It's a wet one. No, don't smear it. Just let it dry and you can brush it right out, okay? I'm sorry, they had some seeds. We're gonna put some seeds right here in your hand. Okay, can you take a look out the hole? Can you whistle? No, whistle. A simple no would have been just fine, okay? Oh, we're gonna need some help. We're gonna have our newest universal bird trainer. Oh, we got something for you. There you go. Give him a hand, folks. One more again. Again. There you go. Yeah. You're looking pretty good, huh? Okay, well give them all a big wave. Show them. Give big beatings. Big waves. That's better. Give a big smile for the camera.